Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up smart security alarm beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your smart security alarm system. Make sure to lay out all components to confirm you have everything included. Next, read the user manual thoroughly for specific instructions related to your model. Identify the ideal location for your alarm panel. Choose a spot that is easily accessible, but away from high-traffic areas. If using a wireless system, ensure the location has good Wi-Fi connectivity. Mount the alarm panel securely, following the instructions in the manual. Now, insert batteries into the panel if required, ensuring proper orientation. Connect the power adapter to the alarm panel if it isn't battery-powered. Next, download the corresponding mobile app for your security system. Create an account on the app or log in if you already have one. Follow the in-app instructions to connect the alarm panel to your home Wi-Fi network. Input your Wi-Fi password when prompted, ensuring there are no typos. After connecting, the app will typically prompt you to add motion sensors and door/window sensors. Take each sensor and remove the adhesive backing. Position the sensors according to the manual, typically on doors and windows. Press firmly to ensure they adhere properly. Now, configure the sensors in the app. This often involves scanning a QR code or entering a unique code from each sensor. Once set up, adjust the sensitivity settings for the motion detectors. Consider a test period to ensure everything is functioning seamlessly. Walk around your monitored area to verify the sensors detect movement and send alerts. If everything works correctly, finalize your settings in the app. Set up any additional features like alarms, notifications, or schedules. Regularly check your system to ensure it remains updated and fully operational. Familiarize yourself with how to disarm and arm the system. Practice emergency protocols for an added layer of preparedness. Your smart security alarm system is now set up and ready to help protect your home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.